My name is Neal Simons. I'm half of Smokie Simons BBQ. Hey, just wanted to introduce myself. I'm located here in Louisiana. Our other half is located in Texas. Hey, want to give a special shout out to my brother Travis Simon. Hey, came to me one day and said, one thing that we love to do, bro, is barbecue. So guess what? What we're going to do for everybody is we're going to start posting some of the things that we love to cook. Barbecuing always brings us together. Not just our families, but even people that's not a part of the family, but they become family. Hey, I just want to thank you guys for joining us today. And on today, from our Louisiana location, we're going to be doing 2 spatchcock chickens. Stay tuned. Hey, so today we'll be using the Pit Boss 850, and we'll be seasoning both spatchcock chickens with these 2 separate seasonings. We have the Perfeito Brazilian chicken seasoning and the Chica Licka garlic and herb by Fire and Smoke Society. Hey, 2 of my favorite seasonings. We're going to go in, we're going to prep these spatchcock chickens, and we'll be back out shortly as we put them on the grill to wait for the outstanding outcome. Hey guys, so we're about to put our first spatchcock chicken on, seasoned with the Chica Licka garlic and herb by Fire and Smoke Society. I have my meter plus installed. It's going to gauge my cook as far as the time frame on how long it's going to take. But hey, comes in handy. If you guys don't have one, hey, you guys that like to multitask as you cook, you guys might want to invest in one. Hey, we're going to go ahead and put that on and come back later on once we prep our second spatchcock chicken. All right, guys, we have our Perfeito number 2 chicken seasoning spatchcock chicken that we're going to put on the grill as well. This is spatchcock chicken number 2. And what we're going to do, we're going to hike the temperature up to about 300 and see where our cook is in maybe the next hour or so. All right, guys, here in Louisiana, the temperature is dropping, but hey, we got both of those birds still on, and they're going an hour and a half into the cook. We only got a few more minutes to go. Hey, let's say about 49 minutes or so. I did hike the temperature up to about 350, but hey, look at them. Man, they look good. I can't wait to cut them when they're done. Stay tuned. After a 2.5 hour cook, our first spatchcock chicken is done. Right now, we're waiting for it to rest before we cut. Man, this looks awesome. All right, guys, now we have spatchcock chicken number 2 with the Perfeito number 2 seasoning. Hey, let's wait till it's cut. Man, it looks awesome. All right, guys, so I have my assistant, my beautiful wife. She's gonna go ahead and cut spatchcock chicken number 1. Hey guys, let me tell you something. This chicken, pulling it off the grill, one of the legs even fell off. Man, it's amazing. Wow, you see that? We're gonna cut that anyway. But hey, let's just sit back and watch this cut. I don't know about you guys, but we're ready for some chicken. All right, guys. Now we have spatchcock chicken number 2. Hey, man. This one right here is going to be the truth. It looks awesome. Ready to go. Well, all done, all cut, ready to prepare. Man, let me tell you, this is such an awesome cook. And this chicken is on point. Hey, man, if you guys want to go ahead and try our recipe, want to reach out to us, hey, by all means, do so. But this right here, this will change your mind. Hey, appreciate you guys for joining. Hey, next time, we hope to link up with you guys again. Smokie Simons BBQ. You guys have a blessed evening.